Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to log in or access Dahua NVR on your web, laptop or desktop. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So you can access or log in NVR on your web by using NIC. NIC mean Network Interface Card, Gateway Address. So by using NIC gateway address or IP address, you can log in or access NVR on same internet or same LAN. So you can find NIC gateway address in NVR. So you can log in NVR in your actual system where you deploy Dahua NVR, and then you will see this screen on your actual system. So currently we are on a web. So on your actual system you see network. So same interface show on web and actual system. So click on network. So we are in network, and then you see we are in TCP IP, and then you see NIC name, IP address, network mode. So this is our NIC network interface card, and then you see IP address. So you can use this IP address on web to log in Dahua NVR. So by using this IP address, you can log in Dahua NVR on same internet or same LAN. So now we are going to log in again. So when you write your gateway NIC IP address on web, then you will see this screen. Now you see Dahua NVR. So you can enter your username and password and then click on login. So in this way you can access or log in Dahua NVR on web in your desktop or laptop on same internet or LAN. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.